In this video, I will show you how to make a pinch pot. You're going to begin by using your wire tool to cut a chunk of clay. Measure that clay out so it's about 1/2 pound. It's okay if you don't have a scale at home, just try to eyeball the size. Be sure to wrap your clay back up so it doesn't dry out. You're going to pat your ball of clay until it looks symmetrical and to be like a sphere. You will also smooth out any little cracks on the exterior. Avoid rolling the clay around in your hand as it dries out the surface of the clay and can lead to cracking. To begin making the pinch pot, you're going to put your thumb down inside the top of the sphere, just about 1/2 inch. Then you're going to put all of your fingers closely together and squeeze your fingers against your thumb, with the clay in the middle. You're going to go all the way around once, and then you're going to push your thumb down further and do the process again. When you've gone all the way around the second time, you're going to repeat by pushing your thumb down further and going all the way around again. You're going to keep doing this process until you get about 1/2 inch from the bottom of the pinch pot. Once you've done that, you're going to start back up at the top the same exact way that you just did, squeezing it just a little bit more narrow, and then going around in a spiral motion until you reach the bottom. The reason that you don't pinch all of the thickness at one time is because it will crack. Clay can only handle being pushed so far so fast. Please notice my fingers are closely knit together. If you spread your fingers apart, you will actually squeeze clay up through your fingers and create lots of bumps. If you've gone around to the point that your fingers no longer reach, or your thumb no longer reach on the interior, you can press your fingers against the heel of your other hand. Please note I have not put the pinch pot down on the table yet. It's called a pinch pot because you're using your hands. You're not using the surface of the table. If you put the pinch pot on the table, it will flatten out and no longer be a cup shape. At this point, you're going to smooth, 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 and smooth. You're smoothing the rounded rim, and you're smoothing the interior and the exterior. Here, I'm going in and using my thumb and slowly pulling up from the bottom to the top to round out the inside and define the shape. After that, I'm just smoothing out the rim, which is the top round part, making sure it's symmetrical. And then I'm going to smooth out the outside as well. This takes a bit of time, as sometimes when you smooth out one area, you mess up another area. Once complete, you're going to get your wire tool and slice down the middle of your pinch pot, revealing even walls.